Hey guys, it's Michael Winsmith, and today we are going to talk about how to get traffic for free with Quora, small actions that could have big results. So what is Quora, you might ask? And the answer is it's a hybrid social media platform slash forum slash blogger platform. So it does all of those. It's kind of an interesting assortment of things that you can do on there, but they are most well known for their questions and answers, so it's kind of more a forum, but you can follow other members of Quora and be notified anytime they create a question or answer a question. Just like with any social media platform, the more you like, comment, and follow, the more like, comments, and followers you will get. The idea behind this platform is that you log on, create a profile around what your interests are and your expertise, and then Quora will then send you questions to answer. And you do this by email. And in that respect, it kind of reminds me of LinkedIn. You can leave a web address and all of your credentials on your profile. If you really get creative with your profile, not only can you leave just just maybe your website address, but you could leave your YouTube address, you could leave your Facebook address. I mean, there's tons of different URLs that you can actually put on your profile. So it's not limited to just one link. So it's definitely worth really spending some time on your profile, because if you do a lot of activity on Quora, then there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be checking out your profile. So it's definitely worth investing some time in your profile. So how do you get the traffic? How do you get that free traffic? That's what we want to find out. And first, what you do is you answer questions within your niche and leave resource URLs back to your website or video channel. Little caveat to this, guys, down at the bottom here, make sure you're creating a lot of value in your post on Quora. A small answer with link back to your blog post will not cut it. Your account will get flagged and banned. And don't just leave a link on every answer, and also use other people's links to other resources as well. Create value first. That's the biggest thing. You're trying to create value. By the more value you create, the more interest in you're going to create. I mean, the smarter you look, the more people are going to want to follow you. So once you've created that value, you've answered those questions in your niche, then you invite people to view your profile as well. And of course, you're going to leave links back to your website and video channels and sales funnel and so forth. So you want to create content using the same keywords as the questions being asked and refer people back to your website or blog. So that's another tip. Create the content elsewhere that corresponds to the keywords that are being used according to the questions that are being asked on Quora, and then answer those questions with a URL back to blog, YouTube channel, or whatever it is that you want to use to skim off some of that traffic. So why does this work? Well, most people ask questions that are consistent with keywords that are used in search. So for that reason, Google loves the content that's on Quora, and they actually display the answers in search. So your answers and the URLs, the subsequent URLs that you put on the answer to the questions, will wind up in search, and you never have to worry about SEO or driving traffic to your website or anything like that, because everything has already been done by Quora. All you're doing is answering questions. And Quora is one of the top websites on the Alexa scale. they've got so much traffic that it's unbelievable. So you're just tapping into that traffic and sending it over to your website. So word of caution here, guys, do not spend more than 30 minutes a day on this. Just like any social media marketing, this could be a huge time sucker and take away from some of the other money-making activities that you're already doing, like blogging, making videos, doing other social media posts like Instagram. So, I mean, this is something you want to add to your repertoire. I would do like maybe 30 minutes a day. It's probably going to take, I mean, that's like one post a day if you really put some time into it. But if you do it just a little bit a day, you're going to get a lot of traffic. One of my posts, just one of my posts, had 1,230 views. Just one post. So you don't need a lot of posts to bring in traffic. So, and yes, I got a lot of traffic off of it because of just that one post. But funny enough, I got more traffic off of my profile views than that one post. So it's really important that you fill out that profile very well. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you for your attention. If you like my content, show your support by giving me a thumbs up. It helps me, it helps my channel, and it also helps the video rank. So if you guys liked it, then just give me that thumbs up. If you like the video and you want to see more videos like it, then hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the below because when you comment, you tell me you like this, and you want more videos like this, then I'm gonna make more videos like this. So let me know what you think. Hit the subscribe button, and I will make sure that you get what you need. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'll see you on the next video.